Welcome! Today I'm with FAIRPHONE 3 and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps. That's so simply, just open the Play Store, and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you are connected, then click on right upper corner and tap to the settings. Right now go to the network preferences and tap on auto update apps. Now switch it to don't auto update apps. That was like here. Switch it here to don't auto update apps and tap done. So as you can see, it's finished. So how does it look? If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.